So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just my biology for class 9th and 10th. So in our previous video we have discussed the cell organelles, lysosome and ribosome. And in our in the second last part of the video we are going, because second last part, because this only one video left for the complete syllabus of the cell. So in a part of the video we are coming to the mitochondria and plastids. Both these are important because it has some many basics function or function that do not have any cell organelles. So let's start. So mitochondria, first of all, mitochondria is a cell organelles which help to produce energy. Mitochondria is a cell organelles which help to produce energy in the cell. If the question arises in the cell, that the who produce energy, that the mitochondria. So mitochondria produce energy with the help of ATP. By generating or producing ATP inside the cell, they can produce energy or release energy by the process respiration, by the process called respiration. If the question asks that the who produce energy in the mitochondria, then you told that the ATP is also known as energy currency of cell, because it provides energy to generate, to make some function, to basic functions or something. And the mitochondria is the only or the second type of cell organelle that have their double membrane and have their own protein and DNA, because they have own ribosome. By ribosome they synthesize protein. Because of these, mitochondria is double membrane cell organelles and have their own DNA and protein. So look some points. So topic cell organelles, mitochondria. Mitochondria, also known as powerhouse of the cell. It is the only known for it for producing generate energy for the cell. Means it is only known for their producing or generating energy, nothing else. Only known for the producing and generating energy in the form of ATP. And you told that what is ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. What? Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, which is also known as the energy currency of cell. Who is known as the energy currency of cell of the mitochondria? ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And who is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. So, but the energy generated in the form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and known as energy currency of cell. It is also known as energy currency of the cell. You have to remember this point, that the energy currency of cell, powerhouse of the cell, energy generate, ATP, some all things. Most mitochondria present in muscle cell, means you guess that what is the function of our muscles? To do work, to do a mechanical work, or to lift something, to work something, to do that something. For that, inside the muscle cell there is a mitochondria which do that all cell, because it produce energy. Means producing energy in the most, there is in muscle cell, it produce energy to in the form of ATP, to generate ATP, to make some work, to do some work. So if the question arises that inside the cell who produce energy in the form of ATP, you told that the only mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP. So we have discussed this point, this point, this point. So this, if you see shape or structure, then you will say, if you see the sauce bottle, then your sauce bottle, if you see, then it is sausage shape, means is so thin. That like shape is mitochondria. It's shaped like this, like that it is mitochondria. And inside there is a cystine, and inside there is a some ATP which generate energy in the form of mitochondria. So plastids, mitochondria and plastids are related because mitochondria is a double membrane and have their own protein and DNA, and plastids have also their double membrane and own protein and DNA. So plastids is only found in plant cell, not in animal cell, because plastic, the main function of the plastids is to give color to the plants or fruit, help in photosynthesis, storage of food. The only three and basic function of the plastids is the give color to the flowers or fruits, storage of foods, or or prepare food or the kitchen of the cell. Yes, you guess right that plastic is also known as the kitchen of the cell. Plastic is known as the who is known as the kitchen of the cell. Then you will write the plastic is the only cell organelle who is known as the kitchen of the cell. So let's start the plastic. So only found in plant cell, kitchen of the cell for making food or storage of the give color to fruit. Then you will say in plastic how he will give color to that, color to this, or prepare food or to storage food. But in plastids there is three variant. Did you know? Then not know, I will know you. Then the three variant: chromoplast, chloroplast, and leucoplast. First, the only and major function is that the chloroplast, because it gives color to the plant. Means it gives color to the plant. Chloroplast is known as only function is to give color to the last. Chromoplast is only known. Chromoplast is only known to give color to the fruits or flowers like yellow, green. If you see a leaf, how if you see a fruit like mango, how does it take color? How does it give color? Due to the presence of chromoplast in the plastic, he give color like yellow or something else. So we have discussed the chromoplast and the chloroplast, the major and the basic. You have studies from the first class, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and now you come to ninth class, and you have to know very well, because chloroplast is only used for prepare of food in the form of photosynthesis by present of green color pigment, chlorophyll. By the presence of green color pigment inside a photosynthesis, it take light from the sunlight, water from the roots, carbon dioxide from air. It take carbon dioxide from air, water from roots, sunlight from sun. By this process it make its food by a process called photosynthesis in the presence of chlorophyll present inside the leaf, which is known as the green pigment, which is known as the chlorophyll. Green pigment, chlorophyll. So we have discussed this chlorophyll also. Leucoplast, the basic and only one function: storage of foods, starch, oil, water, or something. Yes, oil, starch, or glucose, something else. Is only one function. That the only and main function is the storage of the food, storage of the minerals it is in. So we have also discussed it. So in our today's video we have discussed the mitochondria and plastic, some function of mitochondria, some structure, some basic function, the plastic basic function, and something. So in our next video we are going to discuss the vacuoles. Or yes, vacuoles, vacuoles or centrosome or not. Then we going to discuss the some question answer of NCERT. So today's class is over. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and like it and share it.